You might be wondering, how do you exactly update your TikTok account here to the newest version? Now, the thing with TikTok here is you need to update the apps associated on your account. There are two apps that we need to consider here. So first is we have the ordinary TikTok account, where in this case you could post videos, promote your products, or basically showcase different products in your account. But we also have another app here, which is going to be the TikTok Shop Seller app. Now, you need to update these two apps together in order for you to use the newest features that you could use on your account. So, to do that, you want to open up Google Play Store here and you want to go to search at the bottom section and just type in the following, which is going to be, first is going to be TikTok. Now, for TikTok, you want to make sure that you update it as well because again, TikTok is directly connected to seller accounts if you are selling in TikTok. So in this case, you want to go and click on update button if you do see one in TikTok here and just wait for it to update. And once it's actually updated, we want to go ahead and search for another app. From here, you want to go to TikTok again, but you want to add a seller at the very end. Now it should show you TikTok Shop Seller Center. Now, same thing what we did with TikTok here. You want to go and just click on it. And if you do see any update button, go and click on update and wait for it to fully update. Now, once it's actually fully updated, you want to go ahead and basically restart your phone just to make sure that you've cleared out any temporary files that you have. But once you have done that, I could go and click on open here, open TikTok seller account or seller center here and see if you now have the latest version. But in this case, that's about it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.